Let's go. Tell me about a real Fatimah. 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 We growing, building houses over there. We doing it day to day. In Ghana, over there in Africa, just show your way. Just tell me about the things that you do. Just do your thing with pride. Say yes, I'm over here today. You know I'm not behind. So tell me about it with the name was Fatimah. But still I'm over here today. We talk about Fatimah. She over there just showing love from Africa. We showing love, but straight to you, just straight to Fatimah. So can you tell me about it now? I'm showing here with love. I'm showing love here today. You know we spread the love. So tell me about it, Fatimah. I want to see you too. We going to Africa today just to see just what to do. So tell me about it with Fatimah. Tell me here today. Tell me about it with Fatimah. I'm saying your name away. Said tell me about it with Fatimah. I'm here to show your name. Said tell me about it, Fatimah. Oh yes is what I say. Do you know Fatimah over there? She also go with fish. Over there just working out. Oh yeah, she got a wish. She doing this, she doing that, and she got a house right now. They building up and they building down. Oh yes, it's getting down. Said tell me about it, Fatimah. Tell me on what you see. I'm over here and I'm doing this. I'm doing on the beam. I know you been that house to build over in that Africa. So everybody wants to know, we telling all about you. So tell me about it, Fatimah. Can you tell me about it now? So you can tell me here today. Do you know how we get down? So tell me about it, Fatimah. Oh yes, that is the name. Show me love over here, we show me love. We show me love away. Do you know she over there today? Just been in a house in Ghana, Africa. You know how she just get it down. I see her over there sometimes. She over there with the fish. She's over there just doing this. Oh yes, we wanna wish. She working now, she getting the house. We saying what we do. I'm over here, I'm showing love. I'm showing love to you. You showing love in here to me. So this is what we say. Just tell me about it, Fatimah. It's what I do today. So tell me about it, Fatimah. Tell me what you say. Tell me about it, Fatimah. I want to know today. So tell me about it, Fatimah. I'm in here just to say your name. So tell me about it, Fatimah. Oh yes, we in the game. So tell me about it, Fatimah. You know we wanna know. I'm over here, I'm showing love. I'm showing love for sure. So tell me about it, Fatimah. Oh yes, I say your name. I'm over here, I'm showing love. I'm doing things my way. So tell me about it, Fatimah. Yes, I wanna know. Tell me about it, Fatimah. I want to see you grow. Tell me about it, Fatimah. I'm here just about with you. Over there in Africa, 'cause that's just what we do. I want to go to Africa just to go into our roots. Tell me about it, Fatimah. I know it's what you do. Tell it about that, Fatimah. Yes, I say your name. So tell it about it, Fatimah. We deep up in this game. So tell it about it, Fatimah. Yes, I say today. Tell it with that Fatimah. It what she do today. So tell it with that Fatimah. Fatimah, I see. I'm over here today right now. I say, oh, thank you, G. Hey.